Welcome back to our networking series. Today, we're diving deep into the world of routing and exploring the magic behind how routers find the quickest path to destination networks. We'll be discussing routing protocols, their types, and how they work. So, let's get started. Before we dive into routing protocols, let's quickly recap the basics of routing and routing tables. Routers use these tables to decide where to send data packets. It's pretty straightforward, but the real magic happens when these tables get updated with new information. Routing protocols are the key to routers communicating and sharing information with each other. They are responsible for enabling routers on opposite sides of the planet to learn about the best paths to distant networks. Routing protocols fall into two main categories: interior gateway protocols and exterior gateway protocols. Interior gateway protocols are used within a single autonomous system, which is a network controlled by a single operator. Think of large corporations with multiple offices, or internet service providers with a national presence. One type of IGP is distance vector protocols. These protocols involve routers sharing their routing tables, which are essentially lists of network distances in terms of hops. The more hops, the longer the path. While distance vector protocols are simple, they have limitations. Routers using them have limited knowledge of the overall network state, making them slow to react to changes far away. This is where link state protocols come in. Link state protocols take a more sophisticated approach. Each router advertises the state of its interfaces, including connections to other routers and networks. This data is shared with every router in the autonomous system, creating a comprehensive view of the network. And there you have it, the world of routing protocols demystified. We've covered the basics, discussed the types of protocols, and explained why link state protocols have become the modern standard. So, whether you're managing a corporate network or just curious about networking, you now have a better understanding of the magic behind routing. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all things networking.